Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss the problems on speed, distance and time. Let us discuss some basic problems. In the first problem, a train travels a distance of 480 km at uniform speed, and if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. It means we are going to consider the original speed of a train supposed to be x km per hour, and in the second case we have to decrease the speed by 8 km per hour. So in the next case the speed become x minus 8. The distance traveled is same in both the cases, which is 480 km. Now we are going to calculate difference of a time is given in the problem, so we are going to calculate time in the first case. So you know the formula for speed is distance, speed is equals to distance upon time. Speed is equals to distance upon time. So the formula for time is equals to, and time is equals to distance upon speed. So distance is 480 and the speed is x. While in the second case it is 480 upon x minus 8 hours. So difference of a time is 3 hours. So you have to identify out of T1 and T2 which one is greater. The difference of a time is 3 hours. You see in the first case speed is less. When the speed is less, time taken is always more. So T2 is greater than T1. So we have a condition here, T2 minus T1 is equals to 3. We'll substitute the value. After substituting the values, we'll frame a quadratic equation by taking 480 common and solving it completely. We get the value of here 3 and 480 cancel with this 160 times, and by simplifying this you get a quadratic equation 1280 is equals to x into x minus 8, which is xk minus 8x is equals to 0. Finding out the factors, and the value of x is equals to minus 32 and 40. So it means we are rejecting minus 32, so speed of a train would be 40 km per hour. Let us discuss another problem. In this problem, an express train takes 1 hour less than passenger train to travel 132 km between the two stations. Average speed of express train is 11 km per hour more than that of a passenger train. So here we are going to consider average speed of a passenger train x, and for express it is x plus 11 because it is given 11 km more. And time we are going to calculate here. Before that, the distance covered is 132 km. Time taken by the passenger train, it would be 132 distance upon speed, whereas the time taken in the second case, it would be 132 upon x plus 11. Then according to the question, the difference of a time is 1 hour. Since the speed of a passenger train is less, so it will take more time. It means T1 is greater here. So T1 minus T2 is 1. By substituting the values, you will find the value of x by framing a quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is x square plus 11x minus 1452. 44 and 33 are the possible factors. We get the value of x 33. It means speed of a passenger train is 33 km per hour, whereas for express train it is x plus 11 km per hour, which is 44 km per hour. Let us discuss a problem of upstream and downstream. In this problem, a motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more than to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of a stream. So speed of a stream we are going to consider x, and we know that during downstream speed of a motor is 18 km per hour given. During downstream the speed will be less, it will be 18 plus x, and during upstream it will be 18 plus x, 18 minus x. So we are going to calculate time taken during upstream, distance upon speed, 24 upon 18 minus x, and time taken during downstream it is 24 upon 18 plus x. Then according to the question, A motorboat whose speed is given to you takes 1 hour more than to go 24 km upstream. It means time taken during upstream is more. So T1 minus T2, difference of a time is 1 hour. By substituting the values of T1 and T2, taking 24 common, and by simplifying it, we will get a quadratic equation. 48x is equals to 18 square minus x square, or we get x square plus 48 minus 324 is 0. Getting the possible factors, the value of x is 6 and minus 54. Rejecting x minus 54, and the speed of a stream comes to be 6 km per hour. Let us try another problem. An aeroplane left 30 minutes later than the scheduled time, and in order to reach its destination 1500 km away, in a time it had to increase its speed by 250 km per hour. Find its usual speed. So usual speed is supposed to be x km per hour. New speed will be x plus 250 km per hour. Distance covered is 1500 km. Time taken in the first case, it will be distance upon speed 1500 upon x, whereas in the second case 1500 upon x plus 250. According to the question, the difference of our time is 30 minutes means half hour. Time taken in the first case will be more because speed is less. So T1 minus T2 is 1 by 2. By substituting the values, taking 1500 common and simplifying this, you get a quadratic equation x square plus 250x minus 7x 50,000. We got the possible factor here 1000 and 750. By solving this, you find x 750. It means speed of aeroplane is 750 km per hour. These are some practice problems related to the concept. Thanks for watching this video.